Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. That's the home screen. If you click on that, it's gosh, it's an absolute nightmare. It's just there's just too much to take in. But you've got Bluetooth over right to the home screen, navigation, media, phone. And then if you swipe right across, you've got Bluetooth. So click on Bluetooth, you'll see there pair phone or audio device, pair new device, paired devices, forget all devices. So if I wanted to wipe everything out, I could just click forget all devices. But for this example, just going to go on to paired devices there. That's my phone there. That's the one I want to delete. So I click on it and you'll see there, use device for audio, phone. So if you're having any problems, you can't play audio, make sure there's a tick in there. And then you've got auto connect phone, yes, on. Primary phone, yes, it would be. Forget device, that's what I want, forget device. That's it, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. What we do first, we make sure we go to settings and we make sure Bluetooth's on. So Bluetooth's on there. Then we're watching out at the bottom. But from the home screen, I'll just show you. So it's on navigation there. We want to go to the home screen. We just click the picture of the house and you see there phone, tap to connect phone. Now there's also another way, more difficult to get to, but you just slide that across there till you get to Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth, pair new device. That's essentially the screen you come to before, but at least you know now. Use your device to search for Land Rover Discovery. So we're just waiting here, it's thinking about it, it's looking for something. I have just deleted this phone from this system, so normally it doesn't take this long. There you go, Land Rover Discovery. So we'll click on that. Watch out over here. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 13 Pro 689771. They do, so we click pair and then we click yes there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And then let's just go up here, Land Rover connected. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen there, it's on nav at the moment. What we need to do, go to your music, click play music. That's the track that's playing. I'm going to turn it down, but if you look at the silver triangle and the three silver circles there at the bottom, click on there, you'll see iPhone and Land Rover. The tick's next to Land Rover, which means anything that plays, any audio that plays on your phone, whether it be iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, or the soundtrack from a YouTube video, it will play through here if you've got it set right. Now we go over to the media settings. You'll see there's a kind of a clapperboard and a note. If we click on that,
Newbury 335,
sorry, just turn that down a second. That's on radio, but we want it on Bluetooth. So source is up here. You click on source and then Barry's iPhone 13 or whatever your phone's called. You'll see it there. That's playing now. It's the same track. And I'll just click play again. That's it. That's how you stream audio. I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, we can either go to home or straight to the Navi. The Navi is this waypointer there, the arrow. So that's home. Navigation, so you can click on there, search for a place, or if you just go straight to Navi. However, if you go straight to Navi, it's not all that clear. It doesn't show you a whole lot here. But what you've got to do, I'll just show you, if you click that, that's view options. We don't want that, so we go back. But if you click these 6 boxes with the white, in the white circle, click on there, then you've got search address places, search places at your destinations. We click on search. That comes up with this with a keyboard. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A. Now you get there, and normally you'd have to click on there to confirm, but what you have to do, you have to enter it. So click on the enter button. Now it's searching offline. That's it. Where are you looking for? Sorry, were you looking for this? Yes. Right, again, there's nothing there. So but you've got to actually click on it. No internet connection, navigation connected features unavailable. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. Click OK. And then you've got to click start. That's it. Okay, the other great thing with this system in the 2018 Land Rover Discovery, if we get out your charging lead, let's just click it into one of those, into there, put that down, and then into your phone, you'll see it's launch device with Apple CarPlay. That's what I want, Apple CarPlay. CarPlay, finishing setup. That's it. It's the system has now mirrored your phone, and it really is a fantastic system. You can send messages. Well, I'll just allow CarPlay with Land Rover Discovery while phone's locked. Allow. That's quite important. Hey Siri, send a message to Barry Crampton.
Which phone number for Barry Crampton? 150 or iPhone?
iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Hey Barry, I'm just testing this fantastic Land Rover Discovery audio system.
Your message to Barry Crampton says, "Hi Barry, I'm just testing this fantastic Land Rover Discovery audio system. Ready to send it?"
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Now if we just watch there, you'll see that a 1 has come up on the messages, and it there you go. It's come up on my phone as well. Hey Siri, read messages.
Barry Crampton sent a new message. "Hi Barry, I'm just testing this fantastic Land Rover Discovery audio system. Would you like to reply?"
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Yep, it's a great system, Baz.
Your reply to Barry Crampton says, "Yep, it's a great system, Baz. Ready to send it?"
Yes.
Okay, it's sent. Those are all your messages.
So that's it. You'll see the other message come up there. Could go on all day. But bearing in mind that you've done that without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Hey Siri, navigate to McDonald's.
One option is McDonald's. Does that one sound good?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
See there, you have got the option to click go, but I think, yes, it just carries on. You don't have to physically do anything. It will just carry on and take you to McDonald's. It's 8:45 in the morning. You may be able to hear my stomach rumbling. So that's my next stop. That's the navigation. Hey Siri, shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
So that's it. You play any music. You can ask it to play. Hey Siri, play the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Here's Red Hot Chili Peppers.
See, so all that's controlled from You don't have to touch your phone. It can be in your pocket anywhere, just so long as it can hear the command. But here we go on to it. So if I click on all the boxes here, you'll see there iPhone, music, maps, messages, audio books. Just click the arrow there. Audible, WhatsApp, Zoom, Spotify. If I click on music there, as you can see, library, we'll go to library, recently added, playlists, all this stuff. It's a fantastic system. It's just so good. Anyway, that's how you use the system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.